step into the Chevrolet 2016 Trax LS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: seats front bucket with driver power lumbar, STD, jet black cloth seat trim, Chevrolet Malink radio 7 inches diagonal color touchscreen AM/FM stereo with seek and scan and digital clock, includes Bluetooth streaming audio for music and select phones, Pandora Tune and Radio Stitcher and Sirius free for compatible smartphones, STD, crimson metallic, transmission 6-speed automatic, STD, axle 3.53 final drive ratio, engine EcoTech turbo 1.4L variable valve timing DOHC 4-cylinder sequential P, 138 horsepower 102.9 kilowatts at 4900 RPMs 148 pounds FT of torque, 199.8 Nm, at 1850 RPMs, STD, and